It's November, a traditional month for budding novelists to finally get it done. And the Fort Bend County Library is here to help.
Fort Bend County Libraries will be hosting its second Virtual Bookfest this Saturday, November 13th. Bookfest is a festival that celebrates our local writers and encourages them to keep being creative. We want to get our writers prepared for National Novel Writing Month by offering writing workshops, a sharing hour, and have invited several published authors to come and let us pick their brains about all kinds of topics. What their journey was, how they got published, their secrets for writing, and how they market their books. At 10 o'clock to 12 p.m. is an author sharing event called Wake Up and Smell the Writing. Writers of all kind, whether amateur or pro, can read an excerpt of their work for us, and afterwards we'll toast their masterpiece with coffee or a hot beverage of your choice and finger snaps. If you want to participate, you can. Your entry must be family friendly, and you can email me your submission at christina.tam@fortbend.lib.tx.us. We're also running a writing workshop at 12 p.m. run by our very experienced staff member, Tabitha Voigt. She'll run us through several exercises to get our juices flowing and our writing pen itching, so bring your pencil and paper and your writing cap. Of course, we can't have a book festival without speaking to professional authors. This year, we will be graced by the presence of Christy Jones, Liara Tamani, and Lisa C. Christy Jones is a local self-published author of urban fantasy novels, such as The Corpse Goddess and a romance novella, Valkyrie's Kiss. She has written professionally for the University of North Texas and the Boys and Girls Clubs of America. Liara Tamani also lives in Houston, Texas. She holds an MFA in writing from Vermont College of Fine Arts. She is the author of the acclaimed young adult novel, Calling My Name, a 2018 PEN America Literary Award finalist and SCBWI Golden Kite finalist. And last of all, we have Lisa C. Lisa C. is the New York Times best-selling author of The Tea Girl of Hummingbird Lane, Snowflower and the Secret Fan, Peony in Love, Shanghai Girls, China Dolls, Dreams of Joy, which debuted at #1. Christy Jones and Liara Tamani will both be interviewing at 2 p.m. and Lisa C. at 3 p.m. They have made themselves available to answer any questions we might have, so we're very lucky to have them. To register for the event, please go to www.fortbend.lib.tx.us and click on Classes and Events. In order to attend, you'll need an email address for the WebEx link and a device with internet capabilities. I look forward to seeing you there.
For Stafford CSI, this is Randall Williams.